I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know once it's visible.
Yes, and now we can see.
So yesterday we are done with the coding of a loop. Okay. Today we will start with the if condition. How we can use the if condition. What is the if condition? If condition is like if suppose that condition exists. Like suppose I'm just giving one example. In suppose you are going to the restaurant and someone says if that particular person wear black shoes or something like that, or neat and clean, only then you will be able to let him or her enter into the restaurant, correct? So this is the one condition. This is the one condition. ठीक है यशवंत? अगर जैसे बोलते
Yes.
हैं ना रेस्टोरेंट में, जैसे मैंने जैसे एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि वो अगर ब्लैक शूज पहन के आएगा ना तभी उसको आने देंगे, तो वो एक कंडीशन हुई हमारी, ठीक है? तो हमारी कंडीशन ये है. सो सेम विद दैट we need to apply into this. This is called condition. Okay, so if you see here, I have mentioned here. One minute only, one, sorry. Okay, so like if the condition satisfy, only then you will do whatever you want to do. Okay, so here if you take a example, go to the data compiler sheet. Here just a second. Here what is this mentioned in the condition? If you see, if sheet data compiler, that is this sheet, range d2, that is d2, okay, range d2, this one, okay, Jalandhar, this is d2, correct? d2 dot value is equal to Jalandhar. Okay, Jalandhar, what is the value? Jalandhar. What I mentioned, that if the data compiler sheet dot range d2 dot value, what is the d2 dot value is equal to Jalandhar. So here it is also, you can see it is Jalandhar, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here also it's a Jalandhar, and what I mentioned as a like my condition also as a Jalandhar. So if I run this, just a second. If I run this, what it comes? If sheet data compiler d2 dot value is Jalandhar, yes, it is Jalandhar. If you want to see, you can see like this. Here also you can see like this. You, or else you just need to copy this until d value, and this is called your immediate window. This is called your immediate window, where you just need to press question mark. That's mean you are asking something. You are asking what? I say whatever you want to ask, whatever like for like if you want to know the value of particular things, variable or as value or something like that. So here I want to know sheet data compiler dot range d2 value. Okay, so you just need to keep question mark and then enter. So if it's a Jalandhar, okay. Okay, so Jalandhar, so what to do if Jalandhar? Okay, if there is Jalandhar, then it will just do d2 dot interior dot color is equal to VB green. Okay, if you see, that was Jalandhar, that's why it was VB green. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir.
So this was the condition. This was the condition. Yashwant, please mute yourself just for a while.
Yeah, yes.
So in second condition is like now there is a one condition. Suppose if that guy, the same, if we are moving to the same example, if the guy wear the black shoes, then let him enter into the reserve category, that is premium category, else uh, make him go into the general category. Okay, so now here is two condition. If the condition satisfy, go with that particular value, and if it's not, then go to the another value. So now it is two condition. Earlier there was only one condition. If satisfied, do that, else go, nothing else. Now in this second condition, this is called if and else condition. Earlier it was if condition, now if and else condition. How you will do this? If you see, if sheet data compiler dot range d2 dot value is equal to Jalandha. If you see what is the value, it is Jalandhar, and here if you see Jalandha, so is it Jalandha? The value is not Jalandhar, it is Jalandhar. So if you see, it will not full, like it is, as this condition not satisfied, it will no go, like it will not go down. It move to the another condition, that is called else. If this
Okay,
not
only if it is meet the
like
condition,
condition,
then the below
here
coding run.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, here it was Jalandhar and here it is Jalandha. Hence the, as like here the condition satisfy, then it goes to VB green. Here if you see what I mentioned, if the condition satisfy, then do this color, else whatever it's present, do that VB red. So it goes, as the condition not satisfied, it goes to the else condition, that is do whatever you want to do, else, that is VB red. If you see, now it is red.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
moving to the next condition. यशवंत, ये समझ में आया ना दोनों कंडीशन?
हाँ सर, या
नहीं समझ आएगा तो बोलना मेरे को, ठीक है?
हाँ सर, बोल दूंगा. हाँ.
हाँ, अभी now the next condition is that if you see, if else, if else and if. Yes, one thing I forgot to tell you. When you
Here
write
we can arrange three options.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. One thing I forgot to tell you, when you start writing if, okay, your condition starts from here, if, and your if and your condition, then whatever you wants to do. Now this is called and if you write the if, don't forget to write and if. That's mean it has started and it has been completed. The same like we have used the with block, with and with. Same with a loop, for I then next I, do loop then do loop. So it's like if you starting the loop, you need to end the loop. If you starting the if condition, you need to end the if condition, something like that. So if you start, you should end, and if you not end, it will show you a compile error. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now same with this condition. In this condition, what is mentioned? If, else if, and else. Okay, that's mean there are the like condition which you need to fulfill. Suppose if this condition fulfill, then I'll give you one example. Let me, I'll say 90, 60, 35, 20. So I'm just giving one example. I'm just copying this and I'll just write down that if data compiler D, what is this, H 8. Okay.
H8.
H8 dot value. If sheet data compiler data h dot value equal to, or you can mention anything, like I'll say greater than equal to 90, then I already mentioned, then sheet sheet dot color, I will not mention the sheet dot value, I'll mention sheet dot value, I'll say h, no, I'll say I. Okay, I'll say and I'll not mention, just a second, I8. Okay, if sheet if sheet data compiler h8 dot value greater than equal to 90, then compiler dot I dot value will be VB green. Okay, else if the h8, same I will write down, and instead I'll just copy this. Else if the sheet compiler dot 8 dot value is I'll say less than less than 90, not equal to, less than 90, and sheet dot h dot value. So here I am giving the two condition. Okay, I'll say if that condition I dot value is less than 90 and I dot value is equal to greater than, it should be less than 90 and greater than, this is the mutual. I think you don't know the for that I need to go with the operators first. Okay, before this I'll let you know the and or operator. Okay guys, the and operator is, just a second, and operator, we are having the logical operator. I need to open this. Just a second. Okay, if you see here, you can see the logical operators. Okay, as of now we are doing if statement. Okay, in the if statement it comes that whatever the condition which you are doing, in the or condition, or this is called or operator, what does it comes, it's mean if this not satisfy, please satisfy that, something like that, like if it's not then this, if it's not then this, something like that. If one condition is not satisfied, go with the second condition. If second not satisfied, go with the third condition. Any of the conditions satisfied, then do this. So this is called or. Okay, the second one is not condition. If not, it's like suppose it is the opposite of positive, something like, I'll let you know this later on. Like suppose if you mention the if not, that's mean if that is not exist, then do this. So this is the, that was the another condition. Okay, second is third is and. What does and mean? And is like that, like first condition, second condition, or third condition, like whatever the condition you mention, those all conditions should be satisfied. Okay, each and every condition which you mentioned, that should be satisfied. If it's not satisfied, it will not do anything. Okay, and true and false, that is called boolean. That is, there is no need. So let me go. So do you have any query regarding and or?
No, sir.
Get it? Like how exactly it is and or.
Yeah. A
Okay.
and B or A or B, like that.
Yes, correct. So like both condition, like if you see,
ये समझ में नहीं आया सर, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे अभी?
इसमें कैसा होता है, लाइक अब हमारे पास कंडीशंस है, ठीक है, मैं कंडीशंस यहाँ पे कैसे लिख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ ना, ये कंडीशंस लिख रहा हूँ ना यहाँ
हाँ
पे।
हाँ,
तो मैंने
यस,
क्या बोला, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होना, अगर ये सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है तो ठीक है, ठीक है। और इसके साथ में एक और कंडीशन यहाँ पे जैसे जोड़ रहा हूँ, ये कंडीशन हुआ, उसके बाद एक और कंडीशन हुआ, तो मैंने यहाँ पे एंड लगाया ना, तो जब ये दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगा ना तभी वो नीचे जाएगा ये करने, नहीं तो नहीं जाएगा। एंड
ओके,
इफ आई मेंशन और एंड की जगह, तो अगर ये सेटिस्फाई हो गया या फिर ये सेटिस्फाई हो गया या फिर दोनों सेटिस्फाई हुआ तब वो जाएगा। इन दोनों में से कोई एक भी सेटिस्फाई हो गया ना तो वो
ओके,
नीचे जाएगा। एंड ऐसे आप कितने भी कंडीशन लगा सकते हो, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर सिचुएशन, राइट, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मैक्रोस और समथिंग लाइक दैट। ओके।
ओके,
तो अब मैं मुझे क्या लिख, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, 90 80 35 या वॉट एवर, ठीक है। तो मुझे यहाँ पे लिखना है कि अगर H8 की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 90 आएगी तो वो आएगा VB ग्रीन, ठीक है। सेम विथ, मैं अगर यहाँ पे रखूंगा, इफ शीट H डॉट वैल्यू इज लेस देन 90 and great, and that's mean and the second condition, and I dot value this is greater less than 90, तो और वो होना क्या चाहिए, अगर मैं को मेरा दूसरा वाला कौन सा है, जस्ट सेकंड, दिस इज 80, so that this is greater than 90, correct, less than 90,
You
and
can put 70, sir, less than or equal 70, like that.
no,
H8,
if I keep equal to, you see here already I have given equal to, so 90 down comes into this, that's why I have mentioned like less than 90, so it will be 89.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever the maximum, like when it goes to, like it, suppose if you go in the numeric, suppose the first condition should be always this, it should be satisfied or something like that, the most probability condition that it will be happening, something like that, मतलब ये होगा ही ऐसा, so यशवंत ये होने ही वाला है, वो कंडीशन है ऐसा, उसके बाद ये नहीं हुआ तो फिर
हाँ
इधर
सर,
जाओ, वो नहीं हुआ तो फिर नीचे जाओ, ऐसा, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे हियर आई हैव मेंशन लेस देन 90 एंड आई डॉट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू क्या है, इट्स सपोज टू बी, आई विल से less than 90 and I dot value is greater than equal to 80 and less than greater than equal to 80, ठीक है। अगर मेरा कंडीशन यहाँ पे हुआ लेस देन 90 और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 80, तो भाई एक काम करना, इसको कर देना येलो, ठीक है। सेम आई विल डू दैट, इसके बाद मैंने डायरेक्ट ये कंडीशन रख दिया इन केस, लाइक सपोज आई शुड हैव मेंशन द basic condition, I'll make the basic condition as well for you guys, so don't worry about that. If this now what 60, the same I will mention, it is less than 80, okay, and greater than is equal to 60, then VB black, ठीक है। और लास्ट एक कंडीशन रखेंगे, एल्स अगर ग्रेटर में मैंने फेल कर दिया जो भी, एंड इफ इट्स लेस देन, एक और कर देते हैं, if is less than 60 after 10 minutes it will get ended. Please rejoin that. Okay. Okay. If less than 60 and greater than is equal to 35, then VB, I'll say VB, green, red, black, yellow, and blue. And last condition is else. Okay. So it will go into the else. So whatever, if all this condition not satisfy, then please do as a red, as a fail. Okay.
Okay. So one doubt, we can add the else if condition for so many thing na, like more than two condition we can use else if, right?
This correct, more than two conditions.
Okay.
Because sometimes what happens, if one student asks me that why we are writing else if, can't we write if if something like that. What I already told you, that if you write if, then you need to write and if to close that if. So if you write else if, so you do not need to write again and again and if, because it is coming within this condition, because this after this condition, then this condition, then this condition. Like if you write the if, that both condition will be different.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what is this. I need to, this is so if you see what is the H8 value, it is 90, correct? So it has green. Like it has done the, sorry, I have mentioned the value, that's why it has given the value of that view. I'll say interior dot color, or else I'll mention as a I'll say topper, something like that. Okay, here I'll mention excellent. Here I'll mention distinction. Here I'll mention pass. Here I'll mention fail. Correct? The same thing which we are doing in a, like, do you know we are having a if condition in Excel. So if you see H8 value is what? So if you see topper, correct? Same if I mention here, I'm just copying pasting. Okay. It has not gone to, it is not satisfying. Okay, it is not greater than 90. Now what is this? If data compiler HRW less than 90 and greater than is equal to 80, yes. So please mention what? Excellent. Okay, same if I am copying pasting here, it is 60. Now just see how the condition is moving. If suppose if I'm just giving, is it greater than 90? No, it's not greater than that. It is greater than, less than 90, greater than 80? No, it is not. It is less than 80 or greater than equal to 60. Yes, it is. So mention as a distinction. यशवंत समझ में आ रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, कोशिश तो कर रहा हूँ समझने की।
नहीं तो बोलो ना, कोशिश मत करो, आप मुझे बोलो, ऐसे मत करो कि कहाँ नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, लेकिन उसका थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा।
यस यस, वो करना पड़ेगा। ये कंडीशन है। अभी देखो फिर बाद में, लाइक अब दूसरा कंडीशन, अभी मैंने वहां पे क्या रखा है 35 अपनी वैल्यू, ठीक है, तो वो देखेगा 35 है भाई, नहीं है। चलो अब ये देखेगा greater than, like it is less than 90 and greater than is equal to 80. No. Is it less than 80, greater than 60? No. It is less, like less than 60 and greater than is equal to 35. Yes. तो पास कर दिया उसको, ठीक है, यहाँ पे पास किया। अभी मैं वहां पे जाके उसको वैल्यू कुछ चेंज करता हूँ कि भाई ये 24 ही आया इस बंदे को। लेट्स सी क्या करते हैं। वो जाके पूरा कंडीशन चेक करेगा, इट चेक्स ईच एंड एवरी कंडीशन एंड it is not fulfilled. Now what? The last condition. If like none of the condition satisfy, please do this. So it will do the fail. Okay. Now the same thing I'm going to do in a loop. How exactly it happens? Just look into this. I'll say 90. I'll say 8. I'll just drag it. Okay. Until 30. Okay. My loop starts from 8 and it's complete to 14. So I'll say my loop start from for I is equal to 8 to 14. Correct?
Yeah.
8 to 14. Okay. Now just tell me what I'm supposed to do. I'll say next time.
Need to next.
Now what?
We equal to. We need to like assign the range like HI
You'll,
instead of H8 I8 we supposed to mention I.
बहुत बढ़िया. Good, very good. So I will replace it. Control H. I will replace 8 with I. Okay. So now if you see, and I need to mention as well, just a second, I'll mention where the 8 I'll mention as a just a second, concatenate with I. So if you see, this is called syntax issue, don't worry. So if you see here, I have done the, I need to double quote and I should not be double quote because now I'll need to change wherever I double quote, I'll replace with only I. Correct?
Yeah.
How does it look, red and red? It's showing that there is an issue with the syntax. Please look into this. You see, H is a text. That's why I'm like keeping all of them in a double quote. Okay. Distinction. What this is mentioned, h1 dot value is greater than is equal to, what was that, 8?
80.
80. Oh, sorry. Now what?
In the end as well.
80. Now, is it correct? Now let's see how exactly it happens. Okay, it will go through from 8 to 14 and it will do it